We just drove 2 hours from Ponce to get to the El Unique Rainforest. Let's check this place out.
My name is Billy, this is Sierra, and this is our dog Jetty, and this is Adrenaline, our full-time floating home and office. Join us as we sail, surf, swim, dive, fish, and kiteboard through new and exotic places every day. Make sure you subscribe below and sit back and enjoy.
Hello everyone.
Hey guys, real quick, we just wanted to thank Progressive for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring our latest blog article.
Our latest article is all about reasons why you should keep cruising New England in the fall.
This is the first year we're not up in New England in the fall cruising around, and we're definitely missing it a little bit.
If you want to find out our favorite reasons for cruising New England in the fall, make sure you click the link in the description.
Progressive Boat Club is all about sharing your tips, tricks, and experiences on the water. So if you want to see some other people's tips, tricks, and experiences, just search #PGRBoatLife.
Thank you so much for Progressive for sponsoring this video, and thank you all for watching.
Today we are going to explore El Yunque National Rainforest, all the way on the east end of Puerto Rico. El Yunque National Rainforest is almost 29,000 square acres, and it's the only rainforest in the national park system. It's home to a huge amount of plant and wildlife.
Oh, another dog! That tower up there, I think, is the goal of this hike. Think we can make it? Okay, we're on our way up the mountain.
We're like, if they can do it, we can do it. They're like, if the dog can do it, we can do it.
According to the visitor center, there's a bunch of different levels within the rainforest, and they're different kinds, but we're at the very top, which is the cloud forest. And we're certainly in the clouds.
She like can't help it. The sound pulls her towards it.
Big one. Excellent.
Wow.
Look at how blue the water is.
I think we're just about to the top. Cool. Wow. I feel a lot safer walking on these steps than yesterday. But it's not crowded at all up here.
We made it to the top.
When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am?
All right, going back down.
Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
It's 4th of July weekend, so it was pretty crowded up there, but still totally worth it. Really, really cool view, and it's so cool walking through the rainforest.
If I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew.
You guys smell
My will is strong with a place to lean.
Ooh, it smells good.
The moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold. took the ladder home. When I returned from my
I don't understand how we climbed that. All the way up to that little tiny tower up there.
wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I've been.
You look so relaxed.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
Okay, today is the day we have to say goodbye to my family. We had a blast while they were here. Never fun to say goodbye, but we'll see them again soon. Maybe in Dominica. We told them that was gonna be a really cool spot, so maybe we'll see them there, and hopefully we'll get a chance to fly home this summer at some point, but super glad they came, and we're gonna miss them. Goodbye, love you. Jenny doesn't want to leave you. Bye, love you. Say bye. Come on. Okay, let's go. We gotta go. We're going to get our locks cut.
It's our last day here in Ponce, I think. I think we decided that we're gonna be moving
Onward. Eastward. We're going to the post office because we have some things to mail. Then we're gonna get our haircuts, and then we're gonna get more fresh vegetables.
some reprovisioning supplies. We're not quite sure where we're gonna go yet. We're either gonna go a short distance over to Salinas, like the next anchorage over, maybe 20 miles or so, or we're gonna continue on to go a little further east on the mainland Puerto Rico, or we're gonna go to Vieques, or we're gonna go to St. Croix.
The complicated thing is that we're trying to find a vet to get Jetty a new health certificate.
Jetty needs a health certificate
Within 2 weeks of arriving to Grenada. Give or take, I don't think they're that picky, but ours is 3 months old, so it was super easy to check into the DR with her, super easy to check into Puerto Rico with her.
There's vets here on the mainland of Puerto Rico, but it's the weekend, so they're not open yet until Monday. And I think we saw that there's vets, no vets on VA case from what we saw, but possibly in St. Croix, right?
St. Croix and St. Thomas.
We got a really nice weather window coming up for the next day or two, so we do want to use it to get as far as we can, but we also don't want to get too far where
a vet is not going to be available.
Yeah, so it's a balance, but anyway, we're gonna get ready to go at least, and run all our last errands here in Ponce.
Peace, Ponce.
Uber is great in general, and obviously when we're cruising we don't have a ride, and sometimes marinas have like a car you can borrow or at least rent. Like Marina Pescaderia, you can rent a car for like 40 bucks for the day, which is awesome. But this is the first time we're getting back into Uber territory since Florida, because there's no Uber in the Bahamas. Not that you really need one there, I don't think. Maybe there's in Nassau or like Freeport, but I don't think there is. And there's no Uber in Dominican Republic, but as soon as we got back here in Puerto Rico, Ubers. So really easy to get around and get groceries and stuff like that. Hola. Lay up. Thank you, thank you. Gracias. So easy to ship stuff here to the US. It's just priority mail, flat rate, easy. Some special Tula shop orders had to go out that were personally shipped from us. You look so pretty. She said I look guapo. You got short. Yours is it looks so good. You guys know us, we're normally pretty healthy.
I feel like we say that all the time right before we're about to tell them we're not healthy.
We're normally pretty healthy, but when you see this and you live on a boat, you gotta go one last time.
We're only going because the hot button is on.
How is it?
Amazing. I don't know how there's so many more Dunkin' Donuts in the world, but Krispy Kreme's got it.
Hey, Krispy Kreme. See you in another year. Next stop, Walmart.
My hair's so short.
So is mine. We're going to La Gancha?
Okay, so we're all packed up on food, freshly trimmed hair, and all we have to do before we leave is fill up with water.